Uber Pool matches riders heading in a similar direction. When riders request using the Uber Pool option, they may be required to take a short walk at either end of their trip to help keep detours to a minimum and make pickups and drop-offs easier for everyone. The Uber Driver app will notify you when you receive an Uber Pool trip request. Simply tap to accept the trip. Once you've accepted the Uber Pool request, you can see the fare plus the Uber service fee. You will also see this for additional Uber Pool riders that are added to the trip. The in-app navigation will update automatically with each additional matched trip to show you an efficient route. You can use your preferred navigation app, but in-app navigation is recommended for Uber Pool trips to minimize any extra taps and help you focus on the road. Every Uber Pool trip is different. You may be required to pick up each rider at a different spot, or you could pick up multiple riders at the same pickup point. When you reach the pickup point, the app will begin a 2-minute countdown. Consider waiting 1 minute before calling the rider. If the rider still hasn't showed up after 2 minutes, you can cancel the trip and select Rider No Show to receive a cancellation fee. Riders can request Uber Pool for up to 2 people. If you are expecting 1 person, but there's an additional rider, you can adjust the request in-app. You can also do this if a rider has requested for 2 people and there is only 1 person. En route to your rider's destination, you may get another request added to your Uber Pool trip. This match may happen before the other rider is picked up or dropped off. The additional rider will be automatically accepted and navigation will be automatically updated. Like Uber Pool pickups, you may be directed to drop off multiple riders at the same destination, or each rider at a different destination. The in-app navigation will show you where to go. At the end of the trip, you will be able to rate each individual Uber Pool rider. For more information about Uber Pool, visit t.uber.com/ANZ Pool.